Hello everyone, welcome to this very exciting new class. We are now going to thoroughly delve into the extremely interesting and particularly engaging topic of add-ons and integrations. If we look at the screen, in the help section I actually have a marketplace where, well, it is currently talking to me about some available commercial add-ons. What are add-ons? Add-ons are complements that implement new functionalities to the Stack OMniLeads open source or the open core, or in some way complement and maximize existing functionalities. For example, the Reporting Pro add-on will provide us with a series of KPI metric reports that are more detailed or at a higher level than the default reporting that comes with the application. Next, we will see that we have an add-on that allows us to manage a typical contact center wallboard, where we can display some KPI indicators as tables or widgets that show various metrics. We will address it shortly. Just as today, through an add-on, you can implement video call capabilities or post-call satisfaction surveys. This add-on provides a way for you to integrate these features smoothly into your existing system, enhancing your communication tools. Currently, there are 4 add-ons available, each serving a unique purpose and function. However, to implement them in this new version of OMniLeads, which is designed to be more efficient and user-friendly, we are going to work directly at the image level, ensuring better performance and integration. Why? Because within our Docker Compose folder, where we have the OMniLeads image that we are going to use, we simply add a hyphen and enterprise to it, like this. Enterprise, to indicate that we will be working with the enterprise version of OMniLeads. And in turn, here in the Docker Compose, what I am going to do is uncomment these lines that correspond precisely to the add-ons, the 4 add-ons that we mentioned. Yes? Simply by removing the comment in the Docker Compose file, which is a configuration file used to define and run multi-container Docker applications, what I'm going to do is pass these now set environment variables to our container, ensuring proper configuration and functionality. There, it is being recreated, including the OML Django container, which hosts the web application. The recreation process involves stopping the existing container, removing it, and then creating a new one with the updated settings. When recreated, a new container will be launched from a different image, not the 130.0 image, but the 130.0-enterprise image. This container will use this image and will also pass these variables to launch a version with the add-ons already installed. If the enterprise version comes with all the add-ons installed, but not enabled, that you might need and are ready to use. I make this clarification because, for now, at this particular moment in time, we need to register the server, which is an essential and crucial step, and get in touch with the commercial area of OMniLeads, the company responsible for providing the necessary and required key, in order to ensure that they can provide a key, or rather, so that the server key you generate can be enabled with the add-ons, which are additional features, functionalities, or enhancements. Well, this is just taking a little bit of time. The idea then is simply to add the hyphen enterprise and the variables of the add-ons here. I was still launching the application, specifically the web application, Okay, so apparently everything is up and running now. Let's go ahead and access it. Well, as you can see, we are already seeing the Reporting Premium surveys and wallboard add-ons enabled. What we need to do now is register the server to get a key. At this stage, you will need to enter a name, a password, and a mandatory email address. If you already have a user account because you have registered something before, you can use that existing account. Otherwise, you will need to simply create a new user account. Enter the course name and an email address that is already registered with the server. Once it is registered, what we proceed to do is indicate our registration key. We should have received something by email. In my case, I have it in my Gmail, so I should have received it. Here is the key. Now, with this key, what I do is inform the OMniLeads commercial team to enable the add-ons I require. In this example, we are going to enable all the add-ons so we can see what they are about. But well, initially we would already have the instance registered with a valid key for this instance, and as you can see, the add-ons are enabled, installed but not enabled. That's why I have a 403 here. It tells me I don't have permissions, of course, because I haven't yet activated this add-on, the subscription to this add-on for my OMniList instance, whose key we just deployed here, right? Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the process. When you first launch the application, you might notice a few things. The interface is user-friendly, and it guides you through the initial setup. You will see prompts that help you understand what information is required at each step. For instance, when entering your name, make sure it is the name you want associated with your account. The password should be strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure security. The email address is crucial because it will be used for all future communications and for recovering your account if needed. If you are creating a new user, take your time to fill out all the fields accurately. Once you have registered, you will receive a confirmation email. This email contains important information, including your registration key. Keep this email safe. The registration key is what you will use to activate the add-ons. In my case, I received the key in my Gmail. I then informed the OMniLeads commercial team about the add-ons I needed. They enabled all the add-ons for me, which allowed me to explore all the features. Initially, the add-ons are installed, but not enabled. This is why I encountered a 403 error, indicating I did not have the necessary permissions. To resolve this, I needed to activate the subscription for the add-on in my OMniList instance. This process ensures that only authorized users can access certain features, adding an extra layer of security. Once activated, the add-ons provide a range of functionalities that enhance the overall experience. For example, the Reporting Premium add-on offers advanced reporting features, while the Surveys add-on allows for detailed feedback collection. The Wallboard add-on provides a visual display of key metrics. Each add-on has its own set of features and benefits, making the application more versatile and powerful. By following these steps, you can ensure that your instance is fully functional and secure. So next I need to proceed with enabling the features of Reporting Premium, including surveys, wallboard and video call, in order to ensure everything is set up correctly. Well, assuming that the commercial management to enable the add-ons has already been done, I could start exploring the Reporting Premium add-ons, post-call satisfaction surveys. This is ideal for automating satisfaction surveys using audio prompts and TMF, and the possibility of managing, or rather generating, some add-ons, managing a wallboard where we can add pages with different widgets that show pie charts, percentages, block types, bar charts. We will go into detail on each of the add-ons later. For now, the only thing that interests me is to have the platform with all the add-ons enabled, and then we will present each one separately. The Reporting Premium add-ons also offer features like real-time analytics, report generation, and customizable dashboards. This will allow us to create detailed reports and visualize data in various formats. These enhancements will provide us better insights into our operations and facilitate informed decision-making. So, to wrap up this chapter, in this class we simply worked with OMniLeads Enterprise to deploy all the add-ons, including the essential and optional ones, and then after registering the server and subsequent commercial management, we have them enabled. We will be covering this in the upcoming videos, where we will delve deeper into each aspect and provide more detailed explanations.